Welcome back to the Beef and Barnzy channel, Real Talk Reviews, where we go the extra mile so you don't have to. Coming to you with something special, the brand new colorway of the Identity. Same core numbers, 251, 056, 011, barely asymmetrical. Got some pretty cool colors. For those of you who care, it smells like cherry, or as described to me earlier, Jolly Rancher mixed with cough syrup. Eye of the beholder there. And let's get it down the lane and see what it looks like. You're seeing my first shots. First one I've seen. First time I've seen it go down the lane. We're here at the ITRC in Arlington on a house shot. And it's kind of a medium hooking pattern. 27-ish mils, not quite the 20-to-1 some of the places are, but Rex Pearl reactive, just like the last one was. I do really like the colors on this one though. As all the Belmo balls are, these are going to be a limited introduction. So they're not going to make a ton of them. They're going to sell quickly. And so I'm just here to let you know if this is one you might want to get. You've seen the last couple of reviews with the Ion Pro Solid and the High Road 50. This ball is going to be a little stronger in the mid lane. A little stronger core, a little more differential overall. And so this is going to be a middle of the bag type ball. But see, it comes with power edge on it. It's pretty shiny and still hooks plenty. Grabs in the mid lane. Said it's medium numbers all the way around. I guess a little higher on the differential side, but almost most things are. Very comparable to the original. We swapped out green for a couple other colors. Let's see what the old one rolls like. A little smoother. So, first things first, new one, for whatever reason, seems like it hooks a little bit more than the old one does. Kind of have this phase 2 type colors. Gives you a little bit of those vibes too. Good strong ball. I think it's going to be good for players that, well, it's going to be middle of the bag really. So I think as a straighter player, it's going to be in the medium smooth range for you. Let you control that dry. Going to make a nice smooth shape off of it, roll there. And then if you're obviously a higher rev rate player, a slower player, the polish is going to let you get through the front. You're going to have to move pretty far left because this ball flares a ton. Or we can throw the old Identity. Oh wait. Some of that might be the drilling, but the older Identity is a little smoother than the new one. So, new colorway, said red, purple, black, the Belmo insignia. Smells like cherry. Smooth, continuous motion, really controllable. It's It's going to be good on those house shots and those things where it's got some wet dry going on right there. I think it's going to blend all that out. Front hooks a little bit. If you're a player that a little softer on the speed side, the polish will help you get through that. Pretty good playing straighter angles too. So it's at 251, that medium RG flares a lot. 011, it's just a little bit asymmetrical, not really that much. Really at 010, you probably put almost as much asymmetry in it by drilling a thumb hole as you do with 0. So I'll add a little rotation, go a little slower, we'll see what happens. Just for fun, we'll throw it up against a couple of other balls that are out right now. Start with probably the closest symmetrical one that we have, and that's a Zen. So, pin's just a little lower than this one. Other than that, about the same. I'll throw it from the same spot. So the new Identity actually picks up a little bit more. It's a little stronger than the Zen is. Good to know. Here we go with the Origin. A little stronger drilling, almost an inch stronger. I would expect this to hook a little bit more, but let's find out. Origin even a little bit earlier than the Identity, so that's where the fit is in between. Fits in between the Zen 25 and the Origin. From a cover stock standpoint, Origin's a little bit earlier. Identity is going to be in the middle with the new colorway, and then the Zen is going to be the longest of the three. This new colorway will be dropping soon, coming to a shop near you. Looks like an honor score may be coming your way with this one too soon. So, 251, 056, 011, Rex Pearl Reactive. Smells like Jolly Rancher and cough syrup mixed together. Really a medium, middle of the ball bag in between the Zen and the Origin. Strong in the mid lane, got a nice smooth continuation. It's gonna blend out that wet dry really good. The polish will get it through the front. I think they've come up with a pretty good one here. As you know, that Rex Pearl Reactive has been a fan favorite of the Beef and BArnzy channel for a while. It can really get around the corner. So, new colorway and Identity coming at you soon. Come back to Beef and BArnzy channel for more Real Talk reviews. If you like the jerseys or anything else, go to coolwick.com, get 10% off with BArnzy 10. And, you know, as usual, be good. We'll see you on the lanes.